In this video, we will see how we can integrate Nimbus Post with our plugin. For this, we will install the plugin. Click on plugin, go to add new plugin. Here search for the plugin you want to install. Now let's install the plugin. Click on install now. After installation, click on activate. Now, in WooCommerce, you will see the shipment tracking. Click on it. Now in general, in enable shipping provider, select Nimbus Post. And in manual, also select Nimbus Post. After filling this, click on save changes. Now, on your shipment tracking page, you will see the Nimbus Post tab. Click on it. First, you have to configure the webhook. For this, copy the link and click on. Now go to new webhook. In this, you have to enter the name. Then paste the URL here. Also add the name here and change the status. I'm setting it to active. Click on submit. Now you can see the webhook is created. Now we will set up the API keys for the Nimbus Post. For this, go to Nimbus Post and in settings, go to APIs, click on it. Now, click on generate API user credentials. After clicking on it, you will get the email and the password for the APIs. Now copy the email from here and go back to shipment tracking page and paste the user API email. Again copy the password and paste here. Then click on save changes. Again go back to Nimbus Post and click on test connection. As you can see, the connection is successfully done. After this, we will see how we can push order to Nimbus Post. For this, we will place an order, go to store, add a product to cart, click on view cart. Now proceed to checkout. Now place an order. After this, go back to orders. Here you can see your order, click on it. In shipping provider, Nimbus Post is added to the shipping provider. To push the order to Nimbus Post, click on push now. You can see in order notes that order is pushed to the Nimbus Post. Now we will go back to Nimbus Post site to see that our order is pushed or not. Here in orders, you can see our order is pushed to Nimbus Post. Now we will see how we can create order tracking page. For this, go to WooCommerce, select shipment tracking. Now in tracking widget, first you have to enable these options. Now you can select which fields you want to show on the tracking page. I'm selecting shipment status, estimated delivery date, courier name, AWB number and the shipping provider tracking link. After this, copy the shortcode from here and click on save changes. Now go to pages and add a new page. Now give a title to the page and paste the shortcode here. Now click on publish. Now click on view page. Here you will see and track your order widget. You want to see the shipping detail. First you have to enter the order ID and the last 4 digits of your mobile number. To see the tracking of your order, first you will place an order. Go to store. Add a product to cart. Click on view cart. Click on proceed to checkout. and place an order. Now go to orders. Here you will see your order. Click on it. Here is your order ID. Copy the order ID and go back to order tracking page. Paste the order ID here and enter the last 4 digits of your mobile number. After this, click on track now. Now you can see the tracking details of your order. Now we will see how we can create delivery estimate checker on product page. For this, go to WooCommerce, select shipment tracking. Then go to product page. First you have to enable this option and then select delivery date and rate provider. Click on Nimbus Post. Enter the pin code and after filling all these, click on Save Changes. Now go to product. Click on product. Now you will see this tracker on the product page. Enter the pin code and click on check. Now you can see the estimated delivery date on the product page. User can also change the position of this pin code checker. They can set it above the add to cart or below the add to cart or to any position according to their wants. For this, go to shipment tracking. Click on product page. In this, you will see this option which will say that we can change the location of delivery checker widget on product page. Now you can change the position according to your want. I am setting it to after add to cart button. Now after filling this, click on save changes. Now go back to store. Click on product. Now you can see that the position is changed of the pin code checker. Now we will see how user can select prefer courier based on the speed and cost on checkout page. For this, go to WooCommerce, select shipment tracking. Click on checkout page. First enable this option which let the user to select courier company for shipping. After this, in courier rates provider, select Nimbus Post. Enter the pin code. Add fallback rate. This rate will be shown when there is no courier available. You can also add markup rate. And after filling this, click on Save Changes. Now we will see how user can select prefer courier based on the speed and cost on checkout page. For this, go to WooCommerce, select shipment tracking. Click on checkout page. First enable this option which let the user to select courier company for shipping. After this, in courier rates provider, select Nimbus Post. Enter the pin code. Add fallback rate. This rate will be shown when there is no courier available. You can also add markup rate. And after filling this, click on Save Changes. Now go to store. Add the product to cart. Click on View Cart. Now you can see the list of courier companies. Now user can select according to their want. I am setting it to delivery surface. Now after filling this, click on proceed to checkout. Now place order. Now we will see how we can send email and SMS to the user. For this, go to shipment tracking. Select SMS and email. Now, you have to enable those options when do you want to send the message. I am setting it to in transit. After this, you have to select from where you want to send the message. First, I will select it email and after filling this, click on Save Changes. Now we will place an order. Go to store. Add a product to cart. Click on View Cart. Click on Proceed to Checkout. Now place an order. Now go to Orders. Here you will see your order, click on it. This is the screenshot of the email which is sent by the plugin. Now we will see how we can send SMS to the user. Go to WooCommerce, select shipment tracking, and SMS and email. First you have to enable those options when do you want to send the message. I am setting it to new order and in transit. After this, you have to select where you want to send the message. Now here I am selecting SMS. After filling this, click on Save Changes. Now, we will place an order. Go to Stores, add a product to cart. Click on View Cart. Now proceed to checkout and click on Place Order. Now in Orders, you can see your order here. Click on it. In Order Notes, you can see the SMS sent to the requested ID. This is the screenshot of the SMS which is sent by the plugin.